So this is case number 286303, People versus Eric Charles Perry Jr. Defendant is charged in this matter. Count 1, no valid operator's license. Count 2, no insurance. The recommendation from the city is that if he would plead to an amended charge on count 1 of failure to display and an amended charge of count 2 improper plates, they would dismiss case number 469476, which is an NOP.
Judge, excuse me, but your last part, you blinked in and out.
Okay. Did you?
The last part, you got, if you plead to the amended charge of count 1 and count 2, and then after that, I didn't get it.
So the offer is he would plead to failure to display on count 1, improper plates on count 2. The city would dismiss 469476, no valid operator's license, P668409, driving while license not valid, P557314, count 1 no insurance, count 2 driving while license not valid. And good morning, Mr. Workman.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the Honorable Court. Attorney Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Perry.
Mr. Perry, you understand if I accept your pleas today, you're giving up the right to have a trial, either by judge or jury?
Yes, ma'am.
Understand you're giving up a number of rights associated with trial.
I understand.
Okay, so can you speak up just a little bit, Darnell? Can you hear him?
Yes, barely.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Can you hear me now?
Is that better?
Yes.
Okay. So, you understand you're giving up a number of rights associated with trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Other than what the people are recommending, has anybody promised you anything to make you plead today?
No, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you in any way, sir?
No, ma'am.
Do you recall being in the area of Hubble and Tyler in the city of Detroit on or about August 4th of 2016?
Tyler, right after school crap, ain't it?
Do you
Yes,
remember this, sir?
yes, ma'am.
And were you operating a motor vehicle that day?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you have a valid driver's license in your immediate possession?
No, ma'am.
Except the plea of failure to display. And then did you have, were your plates expired?
I couldn't tell
Okay.
you.
Did you have insurance that day?
The car wasn't mine, but I know for sure there was not insurance.
Okay. Satisfied, Mr. Workman?
I am, Your Honor.
All right. I waived the warrant fees.
Thank you, Judge.
Anything before sentencing?
Nothing for the defense, Your Honor.
Are you working, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So on the failure to display, it's going to be $245 plus a $45 reinstatement fee. And on the improper plates, it's going to be $150 and a $45 reinstatement fee. And I did waive each warrant fee, which is $50 per ticket, or $300. Are you able to pay that today?
Today, not really. I'll be able to.
When can you pay it then?
Next Tuesday. Or the Tuesday that's coming up.
The 16th?
Yes, ma'am. I'll be able to pay it in full.
right, let's make it the 22nd. Let's make it the 22nd. Make sure you pay by then, okay?
Okay, appreciate it.
So the court's not open for you to come and pay here. You can go to our website, which is 36thdistrictcourt.org. And if you have a debit or a credit card, you can pay online. Otherwise, are you familiar with the DivDat kiosks?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so it's capital D-I-V, capital D-A-T. And those are located throughout the city, throughout the metropolitan area. There's one at the Northwest Activity Center, at party stores, and the kiosk takes cash as well as debit or credit card. So that's an alternative. Do you have any questions about payment?
No, ma'am. You answered them all already.
Okay, so on the cases I dismissed, which would be 4, you're probably gonna owe a reinstatement fee on each of those. If you're trying to get your driver's license back, you need to pay those reinstatement fees so that you get clearances. If you haven't had a driver's license in a while or ever, you need to probably make an appointment with the Secretary of State, and I would do that now because it's probably gonna take some time to get an appointment. When's the last time you had a driver's license?
I've never had a driver's license.
So make an appointment with the Secretary of State so that when you pay all these tickets here, hopefully you don't have any in any other jurisdiction, then you can find out what it is they need you to do in order to get a license, okay?
Okay.
Any questions?
You said what? How would I get my clearances?
So when you pay us, our system talks directly to the Secretary of State, and they're electronic now. So we would transmit the information to the Secretary of State that you've paid those reinstatement fees and you get clearances that way. So nothing is going to be in your hands anymore, okay? So he needs to pay.
Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. All right. I'm sorry. What you said?
Hold on 1 second, sir. I'm going to tell you how much you owe. $665.
That's everything all together.
Yes, that I'm showing. He doesn't have any civil infractions. My clerk is looking to make sure you don't have civil infractions.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Wait, the killer's driving, was that done today?
No.
Okay, so he got some, he got some civil infractions out there. So he has a total of, not including what you did today. $2,064.
Okay, so not including what I did today, because you have civil infractions, you have a total of $2,064.
Wow.
So all of our cases are online, so you can look them up, and you need to start paying those civil infractions, and don't drive again until you get all this straightened out, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna end our call. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Judd.
Okay. We're still waiting for that, right?
Yeah, so Miss Porter, I looked her information up, Judge. That one ticket that she has the 3 counts on, that SP ticket, that's all she has open. Everything else is closed. That in the park after dark,
Right.
all of that's closed.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, these U tickets are done?
Yes. I'm gonna show you.
So, Mr. Warbling, Ms. Porter, who's on the phone. Oh, here's Mr. Walsh. She has a unregistered, untitled, driving while licensed, unlicensed and no insurance. Good morning, Mr. Kowalczyk.
Good morning, Your Honor.
So I have a lady, Ms. Porter. She has 3 state tickets, which I actually think I could do with the MOU. She has unregistered, untitled, drive while unlicensed, and no insurance. So I think I could take her plea of failure to display and dismiss the unregistered and no insurance.
Yes. In the park after dark.
We have one done.
No, just those 3 that you just mentioned. Yeah.
So, okay. So, Mr. Warbling, you want to talk to her?
I sure can, Judge.
Okay, you know what? I don't know if I can put her in a breakout room because I think she was just on the
I
phone.
think she was.